Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fatrian Fabian. I am from class management 23A. Here I will explain about performance implementation. In the first materi, definition of performance implementation. Performance implementation is the process of translating performance plan to real action at the individual, team, and organization level. It is not only about carrying out tasks but also ensuring that every activity is directly linked to company strategy objective. Effective implementation requires the involvement of all levels of organization from top management to operational employees. Without clear implementation, performance strategy will remain plans without real impact. And the next materi, strategy alignment. One of the key aspects of performance implementation is strategy alignment. This means that every individual target must align with organization goals. This process is usually carried out through casting goal, where targets are broken down from top management to operational level. If alignment is not properly managed, is led misaligned between division which might hinder the achievement of organization goals. 3-4 is important for managers to ensure that every employee understands their contribution to the company overall objective. And the next materi, performance execution. The execution stage is the core of performance implementation. First, every employee must have clear role definition to avoid overlapping responsibility. Second, the organization must ensure that resources such as time, technology, and workforce are adequately available. Their clear SOP help maintain consistency in task execution. In addition, leadership support is crucial to ensure that employees remain motivated and stay on the right track. Without proper execution, planned target cannot be achieved optimally. Materi, monitoring and consistent feedback. In modern performance implementation, monitoring is no longer conducted annually but in real time. Organizations use data to consistently track employee performance process. In addition, feedback is not only given at end of a period but is provided consistently. Continuous feedback allows employees to quickly correct mistakes and improve performance. In this context, the role of manager as coaches and mentors become very important in helping employees develop optimally. The next materi, performance culture and engagement. The success of performance implementation is also strongly influenced by organization culture. A performance culture employs result accountability and continued improvement. In addition, the level employees engagement also determine implementation success. Employees will feel value and involved tend to perform better. 3-4 organization needs to build a fair recognition system and create a supportive work environment. And the next materi, challenge in performance implementation. In practice, there are various challenges in the performance implementation. One of the most common is step gap between strategy and execution. In addition, a lack of commitment from management can hinder implementation. Too many KPI can cause employees to lose focus on key priorities. Equally important, resistance to change often become barrier in implementing new performance system. And next materi, best practice in performance implementation. To ensure effective performance implementation, organization need to apply several best practice. First, focus on the most important KPI to avoid overload. Second, leverage technologies such as performance dashboard to facilitate monitoring to build open communication between management and employees. Finally, organizations must be ready to evaluate and adapt their system to remain relevant in changing conditions. In conclusion, performance implementation is the most critical stage in performance management because it determines the success of the entire planned process. Effective implementation requires strategy, alignment, discipline execution, continuous monitoring, and a supportive organization culture with strong commitment from all parties. Performance management implementation can significantly improve productivity, efficiency, and organization competitiveness.